Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipe and dish. Anyway, I want to simply talk about Christmas rum fruit cake. It's coming up very soon, guys. We got a few months left for Christmas, but we want to talk about how you to soak your fruits and get ready for Christmas, because you don't know what happened. A lot of people lay back too much and want to be in rush when it's now to start to soak your fruits and get that wine and that rum in the fruit, soak it and make it get ready for Christmas, guys. And I'm telling you, this Christmas we're gonna show you again how to bake your Christmas rum fruit cake in your kitchen. Drink some sorrel juice and a lot of stuff gonna come up. So guys, stay tuned for this Christmas. And I baked a cake a few days ago, and honestly I sliced up the cake and shared it up to some of my friends, and I'm gonna just show you a picture of what left back on the cake. Look at this now. Guys, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. We got a lot more ideas and tips. But as I said before, this Christmas, you need to get your fruits and your red label wine and your white rum. There's a lot of video on my YouTube channel show you how to soak the fruits, but we have another video coming out very soon, how to start to soak your fruits for Christmas. Stay tuned with Chef Ricardo cooking show, and see you next time.